Hey guys, it's Eitan. Welcome back to my kitchen. So today, I'm very excited. I have my friend Dara in the kitchen with me.
Hi.
And Dara, this is not the first time we have cooked here. Today, the roles are being a little reversed and you are cooking for me.
So today I'm going to be making the ultimate burger, my ultimate burger, and Eitan thinks that I cannot cook. So today I'm going to show him that I can make the burger that he made, and it's going to be even better than that.
Dara, that's a fried chicken sandwich. You are going to make me today your best burger.
Okay.
You're gonna make me your best burger, I'm gonna give it a try with you, and then I'm gonna make you my best burger. Who do you think's gonna win?
Me.
We love confidence. So, what's your game plan?
I want to put oil on the pan.
Should I turn the flame on for you? You love an olive oil burger? That's you, I support you. I love the technique. We have our meatballs, what's your next plan?
Squish them.
Squish them.
Make them flat. And throw it on.
Amazing, all right, so we're frying them up. Okay, I'm gonna stand way back here so I don't get burned. Well, even though I'm not the chef today, I'm gonna make a little decision, and this is no longer food safe, my friends. If we cut all those veggies on there and then eat it, we'll have raw meat in our stomachs, which is
Yeah, you're right.
not good. And the ugly cutting board.
So first, you're gonna take your tomato. We're gonna cut slices.
I love your technique. So, little fun fact, usually when you're cutting a tomato for a burger, you cut it the other way.
I'm the chef.
You're the chef, okay. I have to admit, your burgers are smelling good.
I'm gonna cut the onions into slices.
Oh, watch the thumb. All right, check on our burgers. Oh, no, I'm not supposed to, okay.
Wait, I'm like scared. I feel like I'm gonna get burned.
So look through here.
Thank you.
Do you know what that type of lettuce is called?
Iceberg.
Wow!
Can I just like cut it right down the middle?
Again, you can do whatever you want, it's your show. It's a little salad going on over here.
And that's all. Thanks for watching.
Burger is done.
Do you feel safe eating my burgers?
Oh wow, you actually have a little good crust on there. Look at everyone.
Yeah, look at that,
Look
everyone.
at you, Dara's doing some cooking. Amazing. So we have our salad over here, our burgers, little meatballs over there.
No, I'm doing it, put it down.
Okay, I'm done, okay.
So first we're gonna take the meatball and move it to the center. We're gonna take a nicely cut tomato. And then a nice big piece of onion to make Eitan suffer.
Thank you. That's
and some mayonnaise.
1-to-1 onion to burger thickness ratio.
Do you like mayo?
I do.
Okay, good.
Ooh. Did anybody order some burger with their mayo?
Next we're gonna take our cheese.
A little vegan cheese on there. I mean, if that doesn't look delicious, then I don't know what does. Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. I feel like you're not eating your own food.
I don't eat mayo.
You don't. You made a mayo burger with thing, but you don't eat mayo.
I'll eat this piece.
That's raw. I'm just gonna eat the mayo burger if anyone needs me. All right, Rachel and Olivia, I've decided I'm not suffering myself, so please join me.
I don't know, my taste buds are ready.
Yep, and your stomach.
Let me tell you, this looks...
It's buffet.
Oh, okay, I like it buffet style.
like
All
a-
right, it's
like
like a golden corral.
And it's like a carving station, so I'm gonna cut the meat for you.
Oh, okay, please, absolutely,
Okay,
ma'am.
of
Now,
course.
I like my burgers medium rare. Give me a little M-A-Y-L.
A little
I'm gonna
fair
see what you
warning
do to
what's
Yeah.
about to
Rachel
occur.
first.
Oh, that is the perfect. That is, I love that. Cheers to health.
I
salt.
really think this is gonna become like a new trend, like a lettuce wrapped meatball. That sounds amazing. How does it taste?
It's shocking.
Pay forever.
Hey, forever.
I'm gonna go to the bathroom now.
Well, Dara, thank you for making me your best burger. It was
Anytime you want a mayo burger, I got you.
not often, but I'll let you know. Now that you have made me your best burger, I am going to make you my best burger. And I know you use store-bought buns, but I'm going to be making you homemade burger buns.
Okay.
Are you ready for it? So I'm going to teach you how to do it. It is very cool. We are going to start off over here. I'm going to have you do this. So over here we have some all-purpose flour into our bread flour. So we're just going to whisk that up. Oh, of course I spilled. Always fun to make a mess in the kitchen. And let's place that right into the mixer. I'm going to add in my cubes of plant-based butter into the flour. So let's just get that all in there, and we're going to use the paddle attachment. All right, here we go. That's actually for later. I'm going to use the paddle attachment, and we're just going to now kind of like start mixing this. Oh, that's, nope, wrong side. We're just going to start mixing that together, and that's going to start incorporating the butter into the flour.
Got it.
Our yeast is doing its thing. Let's look in here. That is good. We're going to add our yeast mixture straight into here, followed by our eggs. You want to scrape in those eggs? Get all those eggs in there. Pour that in. And now,
I'll mix it,
You got it. You got it.
I got it.
You do it. You're the chef.
So the dough looks like it's ready now.
So we're gonna get our dough right here. This is an oiled container, and this is just going to make sure that it doesn't stick as it rises. So let's just scrape that all in there. Now, Dara, we are going to let this rise. It is now time for us to make homemade ground beef. I've been freezing the pieces of our meat grinder. Now, it is very, very cold. So we're going to screw this off. We're going to place this right in there. Oh my God, this is very cold. Now,
Can I do it? I don't think you're capable.
oh, Chef Dara has entered the kitchen. She is the chef. Now, Dara, over here, we have our beautifully prepared meat. Take these with your hand and just plop them right into there. Amazing, get some of those in. We'll plop those right in there. Good, push that through. Now I'm gonna give you some more meat. There we go, look at that. We're doing it.
Cool.
Isn't that really cool? All right, we are almost done. Our meat's going in. Awesome. Let's now form these burgers. We want to get 6-ounce portions, and we're going to place it on, and let's get ourselves a nice 6-ounce. Let's see, all right, that is 3.5 ounces. What unit of measurement do you prefer?
Meters.
Same, I love the metric system. All right, Dara, as you can see, we now have 6 ounces, so let's take this off of here, and I'm just going to form this into a patty. So we're gonna place that here. Now, do you wanna start grabbing some more meat? Gently place it under. Here's the thing, are we making a mess? Yes. Will these still be delicious burgers? Also, yes, so.
That's all.
Amazing, we have what are their names?
Patty, Shoddy, Shibs, and Chuck.
I'm gonna go place Patty, Shoddy, Roast, and Chuck in the fridge, and meanwhile, we're going to form our burger buns.
The dough has risen.
Kind of, the dough rose. Okay, everyone, so.
Risen?
Do you want to give it a try? See, it is hard. I loosened it. Okay, it is very important that we get a perfect measurement on these to make sure that we make evenly sized buns. 504 grams divided by 4 is 125 each, around. Well, 126.
How did you do that?
My mom is a math teacher. Hope you're proud, Mom. All right, now we're going to divide this into 4. So we're going to re-tear this. How close can I get to the exact 126? We are good. Now it is time to form them into the bun shape. We're gonna make this into a boule. So ready for this? We're gonna take our hands, round them into balls of dough, just like that. There you go. And we have this beautiful little ball of dough. Yours needs a little extra work. May I?
Yeah. Okay.
We have buns. We're now just going to give them a little bit of flour, and we're now going to do another rise on these. We're gonna let these rise again for about an hour until they double in size. And meanwhile, we are going to make a nice burger sauce with more than just mayo.
Let's get into it.
Some of us in this world choose to put more than just a glob of mayo on our burgers. So, would you like to add the mayo in here? I feel like it's fitting that you do it.
This is actually a lot of mayo, so like.
It is less mayo than was on the burger you served me. I will tell you that. So just place that right in there. We're just making like a very classic burger sauce, fry sauce. Now, into there, we're also gonna add in our ketchup, straight into there. This just kind of adds a little bit of everything. We have ketchup. We have little diced up pickles. Do you want one as a snack?
Yeah.
Great. Add our chopped up pickles right in there. We're gonna add a little bit of mustard. Do you like mustard?
I love pickles.
All right, that was the question. A little bit of sugar for a little bit of sweetness. Then we're gonna add a little bit of apple cider vinegar into there.
It's good for your immune system.
It is, you know. And then we're gonna add in a little bit of hot sauce. Do you wanna do the honors and give that a little mix?
It's like chunky.
Yeah, that's from the pickles.
Pickles are great.
Awesome, so just give that a nice mix through. Now we have our beef bacon, and it's time for you to slather that all over here.
What kind of juice is this?
Some would say tree juice, I guess. It is maple syrup and brown sugar that was heated up, cooked together, now just slathered on. We're just gonna do a little painting. Ooh, love your technique. Alrighty, now we are going to place this in the oven. My oven is now preheated. We're gonna place this in the oven, and we are now just going to cook this for 8 minutes, give it a little flipperoo, and then we're gonna slather the other side. Dara, this is now ready. We're just going to give that a flip. Let's do a little assembly line. You get this, and then I'm gonna flip, and then you brush the other side. Voila! We are now just going to give these a nice brush with our egg wash. Nice and brushed. And the last one, get that nice and coated. Now, of course, you want to just top it with some nice sesame seeds, right?
This reminds me of SpongeBob and like the Krabby Patty.
Yes, whoa, a little voice crack over there. It does. And now we're going to place that into the oven, and we have a little bit of water on the bottom to create a steam oven. We're going to bake those at 400 for 15 minutes. The air is filled with the smell of buns and bread. We are going to take this out. And
Ooh.
the Krusty Krab is quaking. All right, how good do those look?
It literally looks like a cartoon.
I'm now going to place these back here. We're gonna let the smell just keep wafting off while we cook our burgers.
We're gonna take our vegetable oil.
As you've now learned, yes, into our pan. Now, very important, you wanna season burgers like, so we do, wait, just this one. You wanna season a little Salt Bae action on there. You want to season it is all over your sweater. You want to season your burgers like you season a steak. So you want to season just right on the outside right before cooking, so you don't want it to make the meat tough at all. So we're going to take our burgers, and now let's place down my other burger. Please sizzle.
I think they look ready to flip.
They are. Let's see. Bam! Ooh! Look at that beautiful crust we got on that burger. A little bam. Looking beautiful. All right, now we're going to grab our vegan cheese. We're going to place that right on top of there. So we have our buns over here. We are going to give those a nice slice right in half like that. We have our beautiful burger buns. Look at that beautiful crumb on the inside. Looking delicious and beautiful. Have you ever had a burger that was 100% homemade, Dara?
No, I haven't.
Well, there's a first for everything. We are going to now top the burgers. Now this is the part where, you can just, sit back, relax. I'm about to serve you a delicious burger. We have the sauce on the bottom. Let's add our arugula right on there. It's a little hefty amount, okay? It's time to transfer our burgers. How good does that look?
Wonderful.
Wonderful.
It's like real cheese.
Slide that on there. Oh my God, I'm getting really excited about this. Okay, are you excited?
I'm excited for the bacon.
Yeah, so now we're gonna place our beef bacon, whoa, right on there. A little slippery cheese. Ooh, oh my God, it's looking good. All right, we're gonna add some of our onion right on there. Let's add our sliced tomatoes.
I hope when you bite into it, all you taste is onions.
Thank you so much. It's the sweetest thing you've ever said to me. Are you ready for this?
Yes.
All right. Oh, a little leaning tower of burger.
Okay, now it really looks like the Krusty Krab burger.
Mr. Krabs, I am coming for your brand. I mean, how good does that look? Flipperoo, and then bite.
Oh.
Oh my God. That is delicious. The bun is super soft. It is fresh. The ground beef is just full of flavor. You have so much flavor there. It tastes really fresh. That beef bacon, you get the nice little crunch, sweetness. Would you like the sauce?
100 out of 10.
Ooh! Shall we do a little comparison? A little memory of earlier today. What are your thoughts?
Mine's prettier. Like, I'm not joking a ton. Like, I would be rude, but I'm like, being honest, this is actually the best burger.
Thank you. I appreciate
Very
that.
good.
Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, let us know by hitting the like button. Comment down below. What should they comment, Dara?
That Dara's burger was better looking.
That wasn't the direction I was planning on going, but you can let us know in the comments which burger you think is better. If you want the recipe for this burger, you can find it on eitanbernath.com. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. Do you think they should smash it, hit it? What should they do?
Smash that like button!
Yes! And if you haven't already, be sure to hit the bell notification so you get notified every time I post a video. And if you need us, we're going to be eating our burger. That's so good.
Uh-huh.
Very juicy.
The burger's the perfect texture.
Right? See, that's why we didn't pack it in too much. Have a nice burger texture.
Hey,
Little
buddy.
burger cheers.
I'm happy I learned so much from you today.
I'm happy to teach you it. Oh, so good.
Now I'll pay attention more when you cook.
Thank you.